Alright, what do I want to do here? I think I want... It would be cool if when I right-clicked, it dropped a marker. I think it would be cool if when I give a movement command, if it like showed something on the ground. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's get a new branch going. Feature. Move command. Marquee. Move command. I don't know, what is that thing called when you like give a movement command and the person, the little like thing shows up like in StarCraft? What is that called? Let's see, let's Google it. What is a marquee? We'll call it cursor. Move command cursor. Alright, to get started, why don't we make a new game object? We'll just use the cube for now. Move command cursor. Where is it? There it is. It's in the ground. Let's do 0. Okay, 0. Oh, where'd it go? There it is. Let's do 0.25, 0.25, 0.25. What is our peasants? Move command marquee thing. We should just put him at 0. No? What is our plane ahead? Our plane is not, okay. Okay. Really? Man, my coordinates are all jacked up. I don't understand why I had to do that, but okay. Cool. So what we want is when we issue a move command, one of those will show up where we issued the move command. So we've got this. Let's make a prefab. And then what we can do is yeah, we'll issue a new command at the location. We'll spawn one of those. It'll have a script. It'll get rid of itself. All right, let's do that. Create move command cursor behavior. And let's edit this script. Let's see, will it actually open the window? That'd be cool. Nope, I'll have to click. All right. All right. What does my move command behavior need to do? It is going to nuke itself after a certain amount of time. So we can borrow from the spawning behavior some code. Void, we'll say, sure, I guess start is fine. When this starts, we're going to decay, I guess. Decay async. And we're going to return an I enumerator. And then we will do this. And we should do a private int decay time equal private float decay time seconds equals decay time seconds equals that. We'll do serialized field. So we'll get it in the editor. We'll do wait for seconds, and then we'll do after it has decayed, we will destroy this object, which I think it's just a destroy call. This is the build, blah blah blah. Unit death behavior. Unit despawn. Yeah, it's just destroy. And I think it's just game object. No global game object. Okay. Now that we have that, I will add it to our move command cursor behavior. Decay time 1, alright. Go back. Let's nuke that, bring one over. And what we should see is that should go away after a second. Plop. Yep, alright, that works. Now what we need is event system. Let's make a move command cursor manager, I guess. I hate calling stuff managers, but whatever. Move command cursor manager. Maybe controller would be better. Whatever. And we will put one of these on our event system. Oh no, that's the wrong place. We will put one on our services object. And yeah, move command cursor manager. We want to take a private game object prefab, which is what we will spawn in. But I really want that in the command. That's fine. I'll accept it. Yeah, that's it. That's what I want. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a public method, public void spawn, which will take vector 3 position, and we'll do an instantiate, which in my spawning behavior will borrow just prefab Gonna give it here. And for now, we won't worry about rotation. Okay, command factory. Nope, let's not do that. Let's do command movement controller unit. Right, the move command. So I've got move command, 2 usages. In the unit machine. Accepts my move command. Move command. Right. Interesting. I'm gonna have a command that's gonna dispatch a command. That's fine. Well, where is this dispatched from? Right. Okay. This is not great. So currently the unit is responsible for moving itself, more or less. Because I say okay, so I have the move manager. This is where I'll do it. Clean this up later. Greater than 0. So if I have units that need to move, we'll do command invoker dot invoke command factory. Does this not have? Nope. Command factory. Command factory. Create field. Nope. What is it doing? Create move. Create move. Move what? Move cursor command. Create spawn move cursor command. Fix the typo. Go to the top. I'm going to need my move. Let's do get component move cursor manager move command cursor manager. Get rid of this. Return new move spawn move cursor command. Null, because my base object is game object specific. All right. Create that type. This this is unhappy because it needs to be a game object. Then we need to fix the compiler errors, and then we need to fix that. Okay, and then we are going to move this to its own file. Sure. We'll go here. Unity's now upset. That's got to be go. Go. Move this to a new folder. Command. Go up to command, and it's happy. Okay, cool. Let's do that. And then we'll do, okay. I should accept in a vector3 position. And I'm going to do move cursor command dot spawn at position. And then back in my command factory, I need to accept the vector3 position. Here we'll do position. Let's see. That should be renamed to this. Go here. And let's see. Next position. Target position list, right. Add hit position. It's just going to be hit position. Cool. All right, let's test it and see what happens. Just wrote a bunch of code. Nope. Right. Right. Services, move command, prefab, move command cursor. We'll nuke that. Cool. So now when our unit is going to move to a new position, we will spawn like a little indicator of where he's going. And those will kind of despawn after a moment. If you've ever played like StarCraft or literally any game where you get a cursor, there's always some kind of feedback that you clicked. Usually it's like a little puff of dirt. Or StarCraft's got that kind of green arrow that spawns and then shows up. I wonder if I can find a good video of that. Yeah, I'll worry about that later. So I think what I'm going to do, instead of it having this little box, what I'm going to do is repurpose that circle that they have, or that I'm already using for like the selected indicator on units, and have it so that when I right click, it'll spawn one of those circles that'll like shrink maybe. But like really quickly probably. Yeah, I'll do something like that. Alright. Let's do a commit. Feet. Basic cursor indicating where move command was issued to. Should optimize my imports. Cool. Let's change our prefab now not to just be a circle. What did I do for the selection plane? Yeah, it's just that ring. What is this? This is a plane with a mesh filter. A plane with a mesh filter, and then I changed the material color. Interesting. Okay. This is already a box. I wish it wasn't. We'll give it a plane. Ideally, it's not gigantic, though. Mesh render, plane, material, default material, selection. What did I do on the other one? Selection plane. Oh, forgot about my tea. It's now cold tea. What did I do to set the texture? What did I do? Mesh render, I would think. There's nobody in chat, but if there was, I would ask chat, what was it that I did originally to set this texture here? I mean, tell me I didn't just name this new material. Did I just name it new material? Selection circle. Alright, I guess we'll try it. Maybe I did do that. That would be dumb. Yep, that's what I did, and I'm dumb. Alright, that needs to get renamed. Rename selection circle. Okay. Okay, so that's kind of cool. It's gigantic. And I want it to like shrink, I think, over time until it disappears. So we'll do 0.25, 0.25, 0.25. Let's go even smaller, maybe. Or let's give it that, and then we'll use the script to scale it down. All right, so in our script, now what we want to do is not look at a YAML file. Cursor behavior. We'll say it is. I'm gonna have to do math. Maybe. Void update. We'll do it in the update. We'll say GameObject.transform.scale, local scale. I will use the Googles. We're going to copy paste some code here and see what it does. The X, right. I think that'll make it like pulse. Okay. That looks funny. We also want it for the whole thing. That might be the wrong, I think it's Z I want, not Y. That looks funny. That's kind of what I want. It's a little aggressive. Yeah, I mean, ideally, I'd have, like, a real artist give me something a lot better. But for, like, I don't know, programmer art, I guess you could say. What does the one in StarCraft look like? Really, I could spawn some kind of like magic effect there or something. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll just leave it at that. Maybe I'll just leave it at that. Maybe we could change the color or something. Or maybe if I did that and had some kind of like, I think that what StarCraft does is there's like it's like arrows or something that like shoot in, kind of effect. Turn the value that will increment and decrement between the value 0 and length t. What happens if I use delta time? I bet it'll do nothing. Delta time is usually 0-ish. Yeah. What is the normal scale? Normal scale is 0.25. What if we like do just like 0.1 to start? Maybe it should just be much smaller. Let's see, if I had a bunch of units. I don't really like it for a move command, but it's better than nothing. I guess. Maybe I should just make it a different color. Let's see, maybe like an orange or something. Save the color I'm already using. Oh, that's not what I want. Plain. Interesting, if I change that, it's changing them too. Is it actually changing on the material, not just this instance of the material? Oh no. Material. Interesting. I would have expected that to only change on this instance of the material. Do I need to copy the material to have a different color? How do I duplicate a material? I shall Google. I love when Unity answers that you Google are from like 2012. Copy material in editor. Just Control D. Why is there no duplicate command like in here? Go to edit. Edit duplicate, okay. I feel like that should be in the context menu itself, but alright. Rename to move command cursor wing material. And then here we can do the move command wing material. Yeah, I mean, if you were like more down, like the camera's kind of weird, honestly, anyways, for RTS. Like, I need to get a different camera. Like, you should probably be like, I don't know, you should probably be like here or something by default. Yellow's kind of hard to see. And I'm not even like, it's not even in environment, like in a real environment. Yeah, like if you click over there, you can't see it all. Let's see. If I go as red. It just needs to be bigger. I don't know what I want. I might look for some assets or something to use for this effect. Maybe I'll play some StarCraft as an excuse to familiarize myself with the kind of the way they do it. Definitely not sure I like the red. What do you guys think? Let me know in a comment or something. Maybe hit me up on Twitter. Not a fan of the red. Or what do you get? What do you think? What kind of feedback should you get when you move a character? Like you can issue a move command. What should happen? The blue's kind of nice. It needs to be bigger though. Maybe I put this a little bigger. Yeah, I actually kind of like that. That's better. Alright, that's not horrible. I kind of like that. Could be much worse. Definitely could be worse. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna call that done for the evening, I think. I'm happy with that. That was a quick little feature addition. We went from no movement cursor to something. I'm happy with that. Let's commit it. Update. Move cursor to, yeah. Move cursor as pulsing ring. Cool. Cool. And I will push that off stream. Cool. Alright, well, I'm happy I got that done. I guess I will probably head to bed now If anybody stopped in, thanks for stopping in. If you're watching this video later, let me know what you think in the comments, or, you know, message me on Twitter or something. All right, laters.